Today we are going to study about kinds of noun. There are 5 kinds of noun: common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. Material noun and abstract noun can be from common and proper noun. Common noun. A common noun is a noun that refers to people or things in general. For example, boy, country, bridge, city. When we're talking in general, like there isn't any specific name of a boy, or there isn't any specific name of a country or the bridge. So we will say this one is common noun. Then we have proper noun. A proper noun is a name that identifies a particular person, place, or thing. For example, Stephen, Africa, London, Monday. In written English, proper noun begin with capital letters, and common noun begin with small letters. Concrete noun. A concrete noun is a noun which refers to people and to things that exist physically and can be seen, touched, smelled, heard, or tasted. For example, dog, building, coffee, tree, rain, beach, tune. So something that you can touch, you can feel, you can see, called concrete noun. Then we have abstract noun. An abstract noun is a noun which refers to ideas, quality, and condition, things that cannot be seen or touched, and things which have no physical reality. For example, truth. You cannot touch the truth. You cannot see the truth. Danger. You cannot touch it or feel it, of course. So there isn't any body, physical body. That is called abstract noun. Collective nouns. Collective nouns refer to groups of people or things. For example, audience, family, government, team, jury. When we give one name to many people. Now in audience we have many, but we call audience, just we call with one name. Family, we have many family members, for example 4 or 5 family members, but one name, family. Government, many people make one government, but this is one name, just government. And we have team, there are many players in a team, but we call one team. Jury. Jury is a word many people don't know what is the meaning of jury. When one judge in a court cannot take decision, then they arrange jury. Jury is consist on 5 or 7 judges. They listen all the evidence and see everything. After that, they make the final decision about the criminal or the accused person. That is called jury. So one name for all these people. In collective nouns are treated as singular with a singular verb. So collective nouns we treated as singular. These are not plural. Here we have the example. The whole family was at the table. So we will not say the whole family were. The whole family was, because family is one word, and we will take it as singular. A noun may belong to more than one category. For example, happiness is both. Now here we need to learn, I told you at the beginning, that abstract and concrete noun can belong to the different categories. For example, they can be common, they can be proper. For example, here happiness is both a common noun and an abstract noun. Happiness we cannot touch, of course, doesn't have a body, physical body, so that's why this is an abstract noun as well as common noun. Then we have Mount Everest. It can be both concrete noun or a proper noun because it has a name, and also it has a body, you can see, you can touch. So proper noun because it has given a name, particular name. So here we have exercise regarding this. As I told you, abstract and concrete noun can be common and proper both. So here we have the book was laying on the table is what? Book is a common noun, a proper noun, or a collective noun. What is it? Exactly, it is a common noun because there isn't any name. We have different types of names for the books. Then we have love begets love. Love begets love. Love is here common, collective, or abstract. Exactly, love is an abstract noun. Then we have we cannot live without water. What is a common noun, material noun, or an abstract noun? So water is a material noun. Number 4. The jury has given its verdict. So jury is a collective noun, or a common noun, or an abstract noun. Of course, this one is a collective noun. Then we have the Hindus regard Krishna as an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. So Hindus is a common noun, proper noun, or an abstract noun. A proper noun. Alcohol is injurious to health. So health is a common noun, an abstract noun, or a proper noun. Health is an abstract noun because you cannot touch or see the health. Then we have smoking is a bad habit. So habit is a common noun, proper noun, or an abstract noun. Very easy. Abstract noun. Then we have wild animals live in forest. Animal is a common noun, proper noun, or an abstract noun. Animals, common noun. Then we have the childhood of Peter was full of misery. So childhood is a common noun, an abstract noun, or a proper noun. Childhood is an abstract noun. Then we have all the girls were singing. Girls is a common noun, proper noun, or an abstract noun. Of course, this one is a common noun. Gold is precious metal. Gold is a proper noun, abstract noun, or a material noun. Material noun. Then we have rice is the staple food of South Indians. So rice is a common noun, material noun, or an abstract noun. Material noun. Then the earth moves round the sun. Earth is a common noun, an abstract noun, or a proper noun. Earth is a common noun. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you like, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.